Okay guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much more. Welcome guys. Good to see everybody. Smash that like button. We love the support all the time, all day, every day. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Jay's Strategy at Trades4Radio. We drop you all the latest and greatest crypto news, information, and much more. Okay, guys, let's hop into the markets. As you can see, we have the Bitcoin chart up right here on the 4-hour. You can see EMA is, I wanted to show you a couple different things here. So EMA cross right here, heading for this blue line that we dropped, okay, at 40.1. And then right below, you see the red line at 39.6. Well, we're pretty close to that 39.6, and that's what we talked about in the last video. We said that we're going to be facing a lot of resistance at this level. So we're at this level now, and we're going to keep watching this. It does kind of look like there could be some inverse head and shoulder play action going on there a little bit. We're going to keep an eye on that. The target for that would be 42K. Okay, would be the target for that, or 44K. We are crossing on the EMA. The squeeze mob is coming up here into the green. Very good. Our level of support right here at 36.3 is a really good level. So we did pull away from that, but do keep in mind that we did have some pretty fast action to the upside. Let me go ahead and just show you something in that. So you can see these candles did pull to the upside pretty quick during the session. Okay, right now we're in the middle of the New York session, and we are riding above the 50 EMA here. We pulled above it, so I would like to see a clean retest of the 50 and then a continuation to the upside to where you see this M4 level right here at the 41.7K level. And that is for Bitcoin. I know there's a lot of happening on this. I just wanted to show you this overall. There's a lot of cool stuff happening. You can see Bitcoin at 39.2. Ethereum at 2,715, Litecoin at 106, Binance at 369, Solana at 90, Ripple at 71, Bitcoin Cash at 301, Monero at 152, Dash 90, EOS at 2.1, Zcash. So these are the main ones here on Cointelegraph. Let me just hop over into the news section right here for it. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Follow us. We drop information here. We pin our videos, pin our tweets. We drop a lot of useful information on the cryptocurrency news and information and much more. Let's go ahead and hop into some Bitcoin news. Cointelegraph, shout out to Cointelegraph, brings you the latest and greatest news also all day, every day. Bitcoin whales fuel Bitcoin price comeback as stocks brush off Ukraine. Okay, so we're talking about how the markets pulled back and then they immediately had a bounce. Apple Pay to halt support for Russian banks, sanction on war in Ukraine. Bitcoin investors buy the dip near 40K. No. Gaining 16% in less than 24 hours. All right. Wow, BNY Mellon plans to launch digital asset custody platform. Really big news here. All right, so let's hop into CoinMarketCap. Today's cryptocurrency price is up 8.3%. Bitcoin at 39.2. Up in 24 hours, 8%. Ethereum up 10% in 24 hours to 2.7. Binance at 369, up 6%. XRP at 71, up 8%. Cardano at 88. Green Day, man, 9% on Cardano. Solana at 90, up 7%. Terra, big day, 18%, 37 on the full. Avalanche, 77, up 11. Dogecoin right here, 12, up 6. Shiba up 8, it's at 24.61. Polkadot at 16, up 7. So we got some really cool stuff happening. Let's go ahead and hop into Ethereum and let's look at some stuff here. We are about to cross, and we're talking about the 4-hour chart here, and I'm just showing you this a little bit between the long-term, short-term time frames. 4 hours about to cross right there. 1 hour. We did cross down here on the 1 hour, and that's when we had all this nice bullish action right here. So we can kind of see like some of these things playing out here. Let's see if we can actually break towards the upside, or we can actually pull back to the 25.85, test that, and then continue to the upside. On Ethereum, but it is looking pretty good. You can see the squeeze mob is to the upside in the green. We had a little flow in there. Let's see. Yep, on the 4-hour, you can see right here that we are starting to go to the upside. I like this right here. That's really cool for Ethereum. And you know, we just got to break above this line right here where we're at right now at 2007.27, and if we can break above that, then we're shooting right back for these levels of 3K, guys. So you know, let's try to get some bullish woo in the market. Binance BNB. Okay, so I want to see this close and cross, man. So it's heading up. You know, we did have some pretty good moves. You just got to be careful because we wicked out pretty hard, so we can actually trickle and come back down to here. You can see my line right here that I do see a lot of support in between this box area that you see right here. Okay, that's a strong support area for Binance, and I would love to see a come back to the 358 and then continue to the upside, you know, breaking past this level right here at the 380, and then it has the next one over here at the 394, and then we come all the way up here to the 420, back to that area. Look at that, kind of looks like the moon man face. Yeah, so guys, definitely bullish on that. XRP 71 cents. You know, same thing, man. We want the big daddy of them all to pull up. Let's see how SPY's doing. SPY, definitely bullish. Look at that, 7.84, up 1.84% today. Gold, down 17.3. Gold just had that big move all in one day because of the crazy news that's happening, you know. US Tether, that's the dominance of the Tether. So a lot of people were pulling their money into Tether, and now they're putting it back into, let's say, Bitcoin. All right, US 10-year actually did spike up a little bit, so it actually did work out for the market. The market is bullish today. Total overall cryptocurrency market, look at that. You know, if that would have played out a little bit bigger, you know, it would have been an inverse head and shoulders, but an awesome target up here, you know. We definitely need to shoot for that 2 trillion again someday, guys. You know, I would really love to see it all the way back up to there, you know, and it's definitely feasible. And the dollar index, let's see how we're rocking on the dollar index. Big, you know, big fluctuations, and you guys know why. You know, big movements in the market, according to the dollar index. All right, so let's talk about Doge. Doge at 12. So the 12.5 is at the half, you know, and this is curved down, and that's on the daily. Let's go ahead and hop into the 1 hour and see how Doge is doing on the 1 hour for you guys here. Okay, so I see some movement here. I would probably say it's going to come back down here to right below the 12 to retest this before it continues to the upside to the 13 cent. So be ready for that. Cardano 87. You know, we have this area right here at 85. I would watch for Cardano to come back to that area. So the overall cryptocurrency market. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. We just want to bring you some quick news about the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news. Smash the like button. Support all day, every day. Rocking out with you guys. J Strategies to the moon.